All right, I want to introduce you to an actual kitchen island. Now, this kitchen island has a lot of little pockets. Not only does it have pockets, but it actually converts into even longer like it is right now, right? Right now we're at the max, but I'm gonna show you a couple of features. First of all, there's two drawers in here, all right? Two drawers. And then the bottom drawers that you could set up anything you want, your pots and pans. Close it up. There's magnetic in here. Like I said, two of them, two different ones, all right? Magnets on the top. They close up. One of my favorite features is this right here. Believe it or not, this is a towel holder, right? You could replace it easily and add your own towels. Kitchen counters are beautiful, real wood, hardwood. Now, what I got it for is because we are doing a cooking show. We're going to be cooking in this. And if you guys can see, we do have our pan in here, our little fryer here, and our heater, right? And of course, you could add your ingredients on the side, which we have our oils in here. And then the best part about it, we could put this in a corner too. There's actually wheels on it. Now, let me show you one of my favorite things about this cart, right? All right, for saving space, there's these two buttons here right underneath the island that you push them down and it collapses, all right? Now, like I said, it collapses into a shorter table. If you guys can see, it's real short, but if you want to extend it, it locks in place. Now, this entire thing took about 2 hours to set up. Out of the box, straight out, it took about 2 hours. My favorite thing is the wheels. Really easy to move to a corner and save it for later. Now, not only can you use it for an island, but you can actually use it as a countertop to eat, because you could put your actual stools right next to it and sit down and enjoy your breakfast. In case you don't have a table, this is a great option to have too. If you want, you could remove the tires, have it fixed in one place. So overall, it's a great addition for your kitchen if you want to add it. It comes with the drawers, like I said. You want to start cooking, put your utensils in here and get them out. Have yourself a nice little breakfast, dinner, lunch, anything you want to cook in here on the countertop. Or if you don't want to do any kind of cooking, you just want to set up your plates and pots and pans into this little center piece that we have, which is the drawers, the two open drawers, and the sliding part. So hope you guys enjoy this video.